seed. I should plant this. Okay, I'm gonna plant it right here. So, meh. I hope this works. I'm just gonna go take a seat in the plush support center. Ooh! I wonder what will grow of it. I don't know. Will it be new fruit? Because all we have for food is like bread and apples. It's okay. I think I just need to do more than just like, maybe patting it in the ground. Maybe, but yeah. And so yeah, I'm gonna go check on it. Huh. Oh. Yeah. What? Huh? What? How? There just like grew so many. I have to go tell Freddy about this. I'm gonna be right back. I have to tell Freddy. Another boring day. What to do? Freddy! You scared me. Sorry. But I think I found a new food source. You did? Okay, then show me. Okay, follow me. Hey. Okay, look, there's these white pellets. You're sure they're not bullets? I'm sure. Try cracking them up. Okay. This is hard. It might take a while. Finally got it apart. I think this is the food of this. It's good. Not poisoned yet. Yummy. Woohoo, okay. Cheeky, you have to try some. You sure it's good? I'm sure. I'm not dead. I know, he always instantly faints. Yeah, oh, so good. Okay. We should try to do that again. Yeah, but instead not with this, but with the leaves. What if that makes something? Good idea. And then we'll spread it to the world. Let's do this, Chica. I'm ready. It's the last one done. Yay. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I give up. Well, let's hope. Let's come back to this. Yeah, let's just come back to this. Let's in the super lounge and, let's hope for the best. Yeah. Wee. Oh. Wait for me. Oh. This is pretty cool, actually. I know. I'm gonna go to sleep. Okay. I'm gonna try a few more seeds. Okay. These are magnificent. Who agrees? Wait, oh, no one else has tried them. Haha, funny you. I forgot to ask. How long did it take? Chica. What? How long did it take to do the, how long did it take to grow? Oh, only like 1 minute. Let's go check on it again. Okay. No way. It's a pineapple. I've heard of these from, like, other stuff. Oh, man. We have to tell everyone. It is so good. But, yeah, we have to tell everyone. Guys, okay. Okay. I'll tell everyone. And I'll make the announcement. Gathered you here today for what? New food sources. Are you serious? You're not serious. It's in your face, literally. It's like right here. Oh, I thought there was like an attack from, I don't know, something. No. You know what a pineapple is? Yeah. But, oh my gosh. Ah! Woohoo! Oh yeah. Cool, right? I know. Yeah, so, guys, who wants to try it? Ow. I do. I so do too. Let me try some. Don't forget me. Hey, you guys forgot me all the way over here. These are so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah. Well, how do you guys plant this? The seeds. Good. The seeds, you just put a seed down and it grows instantly and there's a bush. What about the pineapple? You put bushes together. Cool. Yeah, I know. Okay, and that's in the Plush Theaters video. See you guys next time on Plush Theater. Food source.